Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, whether you want to permanently or temporarily. You can really have either option depending on what you want to do. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account, and then you want to select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select the Account Center button on this page near the top. Underneath where it says Account Settings, you want to select Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. And then at this point, follow through the on-screen prompts if you want to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Very straightforward process, guys, on how to follow through just by going through this option in here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.